Hi guys, me again, Graham Jones. Just going through what you need to do for your coursework assignment. I'm going to keep it short, sweet, simple. So, coursework, factors of limit and fit within machining. I'd like you to produce a written report on the factors that can influence the limits and fits when machining. Check out the PowerPoint, check out the videos, all the answers are in there, 100% on that. Your work should be no shorter than 800 words, and I'm saying an Arial 9 font. Please do not forget your name, your student number, and your course, and put it in the footer so I can identify who's handed work in, please. I want you to send your work to myself, Graham Jones. I want my email address is graham.jones@cityofbristol.ac.uk. I will then mark them and get the results back to EMEA as soon as I possibly can. Normally aim for 10 working days, so not sure the guidelines when this is going to be set out yet, but I'll get the results back to EMEA as quick and Dave Richardson as quick as possible. Again, thank you, take care, stay safe.